Hey everyone, it's tonight. I'm back with a new video from Arison Lashes. This is the packaging that their Lash Tech supplies came in. Very cute little bag. Here is their Lash shampoo. I really loved their Lash shampoo. It was super foamy. It came with a cleansing brush, which is amazing to use. You're definitely going to need this when you're cleansing your client's lashes. And look how cute this packaging is. This is their Lash shampoo. Very cute. It's a 60 milliliter bottle, and see how foamy it is? Perfect. This is their strip lashes. Now this is 0.05 in C curl. This is a mixed tray, so it goes from 8 millimeter all the way to 15 millimeter in C curl. They're so soft, and I love how dark they are, but they're like super soft. So we are also going to be taking a look at their lash glue and using their lash glue. Now this lash glue is great for sensitive eyes and skin, so this glue is good for 1 to 2 months after opening. You need a 45 to 70% humidity, and it's 3 to 5 seconds dry time. So here is a close-up of the lash tray. I just took out the 15 millimeter strip. So just to give you guys a close-up, it does have that foil backing, which I love. So I am going to put that 15 millimeter strip onto the lash case, and we are going to get into showing you how to make some fans. Now I'm going to start with my favorite way, but we're going to use their glue. This is the sensitive glue in a 3 millimeter. Now I am going to show you guys using a boot tweezer, picking up some of the lashes off of the strip. So it already fans out. These are fast fanning lashes, and I do the pinch method just to get that base a little slim. Dip it in a little bit of glue. You can use a practice square, cotton round, whatever, like a sponge rounds, and just place your fans on there if you're practicing. And I'm going to show you guys a close-up of me just picking it up again off of the strip, and then I am going to be pinching the base of it to show you guys how I am doing it. Now this, honey, this is the other method outside of the pinching method. So if you're on TikTok, you have seen this method. People are using their fingers to pinch that base, and it is snatched, okay? You want to make sure that your bases are as thin as you can get them, especially when you're using fast fanning lashes. You can have small bases with them. You can, okay? So I think these types of lashes are perfect for people who are just getting into volume. That's why I really support fast fanning lashes. And you are using your finger to just get that nice slim base. So if you haven't tried this method, definitely try it out. It's so easy to do, and even if a method that you currently use works for you, it's always good to know several methods of how to make volume fans. And I always release the pressure from my tweezer and just squeeze the base. Sometimes I completely take the tweezer off and just squeeze the base until I get it to fan out the way I like it. Now let's show you guys how to make some spikes. So if you've never done like a spiky set, that's what it usually looks the best, when you do a full volume set and you add spikes. So this is what makes it look more like a spiky strip lash. So you want to put some sealant on a micro swab and put that on the lashes, so it just clumps the lashes all together. And all you're basically doing is just peeling some lashes off of the strip and not fanning it out. So this one came out this way, but you want to get it so that the whole lash is completely still together. So in this pull, you'll see that everything is stuck together and it just looks straight. So all you're going to do is dip it in a little bit of glue, and what you would do is place it on your client and just kind of map out like how many spikes you want on each eye. But this is how you make the spikes. You can do this with volume lashes. I would not do this with 0.15 classic lashes. Anything that are 0.10, 0.15, 0.18, those are too heavy. Use 0.5 and up. 0.5 as 0.05, 0.03. Use those, okay? Use the light lashes that you use for volume fans for spikes, because technically this is still volume. You're just not fanning it out, so you cannot use the weight of classic for this technique. It'll be too heavy for your client's eyes, okay? But as you can see there, you're just pulling it right off the strip. Pull off any that aren't aren't aligned, because you still want the bases to all be aligned. Dip it in a little glue and place it on your client, but you want to use your sealant for this look. And here is just another close-up of this glue, the glue safety. Now this is for sensitive eyes, like I said, and also your humidity has to be 45 to 70%. This lasts about 8 weeks, and drying time is 3 to 5 seconds. So it's really good for beginners if you need a slower setting glue to give you time to isolate properly. And this is also just a close-up of their lash trays. Really cute design. Again, it's from 8mm to 15mm, so you have a lot of range, and this is 0.05 in C-curl mixed tray. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!